Before I talk about containers, I'd like to provide some context of the software development progression, which will help you identify where your organizations are in this journey and understand why the shift to containers. The industry first started off back in the 90s with client-server model, which deployed on dedicated servers and communicated over networks. However, the utilization of the compute and storage resources are not effective. Therefore, the industry transitioned to the VM world in about 2000 to optimize machines. Well, VM-based environments did not provide sufficient flexibility. So the cloud came along in the last decade, provided as a service deployment. After then, the enterprises wanted the same cloud benefits for on-prem, non-cloud native applications. Hence, the industry is moving to containers. Containers represent key enabling technology, bringing in agility and portability. And Kubernetes provides container orchestration. They become de facto standards widely adopted for cloud-native and open-source applications. The container motion is the future of where all applications, regardless cloud-native or non-cloud native, will be living in. As such, containers will become the new norm. But there are challenges. Most organizations have colo data centers where they run various business essential applications. And these applications are stateful in nature and connected to data sources. Therefore, simply containerize the apps and then move them to cloud may not work due to data gravity or hard-coded resource dependencies in the app. Moreover, refactoring legacy apps to be cloud native is time-consuming and expensive. Also, it is difficult, if not possible, for the new microservices architectural app to communicate with legacy app, especially when one is in cloud and the other is in data center. There are also concerns about security as well as lacking of skillful resources in this technology domain. As a result, the organizations have to maintain two operating models for both cloud and data center. This duality creates the silos and increases the cost. In the end, the business problems are not solved, agility is not achieved, and digital transformation is stalled. To help today's enterprises overcome these challenges, HPE deployed a turnkey container platform. It is the industry's first Kubernetes-based enterprise-grade platform that is designed and built to run both cloud-native and traditional apps, on-prem, in multiple public clouds, or in a hybrid environment. HPE Container Platform leverages open-source Kubernetes and HPE own differentiated IP, Blue Data Container Software, and MyPart Data Fabric. It benefits the customer by bringing the speed and efficiency of containers to both cloud-native and non-cloud native apps. It lowers costs with bare metal containers and reduces risk with enterprise-grade security. It also delivers new cloud releases faster with one-click container deployment with curated apps. And of course, you can build the apps once and run anywhere, providing hybrid cloud portability. But that's not enough. HPE Container Platform is a software layer. You still need the hardware layer to host it. That's where HPE Synergy comes in. HPE Synergy is the first platform in the industry that architected from the ground up as a composable infrastructure. When we combine these two industry-first technologies together, great things happen. We offer end-to-end container solutions, management automation, and top-notch services for you to quickly containerize apps for hybrid IT deployment, accelerate your development lifecycle, and simplify IT operations. At the end of the day, we give you the cloud experiences in on-prem environment. Now let's take a closer look at how we deliver that promise. Regardless of our container platform partner, HPE builds standardized solutions. The standard for building an enterprise container platform is tied to the CNCF trail map, a document that drives our solution definitions. This means that in addition to merely serving containers, we pay attention to orchestration, security for day one and beyond, service proxy, discovery, and mesh, and we highlight observability and analysis as part of our documentation. Each of these pieces of the trail map may be slightly different depending on the platform vendor. The same holds true for the operating system. Currently, we're building our solutions with Rio CoreOS, and Ubuntu. Going forward, we're looking at introducing SUSE Linux enterprise system into solutions where it makes sense. Some partners only run their solution stacks on a hypervisor. Others, including HPE Container Platform, support both bare metal and virtualization. Regardless of how the hardware is presented to the OS, HPE Synergy underpins these solutions. Depending on the solution, we support file, object, or block storage. In some cases, all three. And we do so on HPE storage platforms, including HPE Primera, HPE 3PAR, HPE Nimble, and HPE Data Fabric. As with all solutions involving data, backup and restore is a key consideration. And HPE's next-gen solutions address day two operations, including backup and restore. The solution that we highlight here is based on the storage selected to house the persistent data. In addition to backup and restore, our next-gen solutions also feature automation of many aspects of the solution stack. From day 0 to day 2, we invest in finding repetitive, labor-intensive, and error-prone tasks, and taking advantage OneView, Ansible, and other tools to simplify the consumption and ownership experience. Some examples of where we're providing value include automated file configuration, deployment of server profiles, including storage attach, network configuration, and security settings, automating node labels in Kubernetes, and so on. In a nutshell, we're building a portfolio of container solutions designed to simplify the adoption of containers as part of your cloud-native journey. We are targeting 3 use cases for our container solutions. Currently, we're working on application modernization use case. Enterprises are modernizing their legacy apps to run in containers. Modernization enhances flexibility and reduces cost while creating new apps and services. In DevOps CI/CD case, enterprises are looking for employing DevOps in CI/CD process to realize the full benefits of digital transformation so that they can increase code quality and to quickly build, test, deploy, and improve their applications to get them to market faster. We plan to deliver this use case in the next phase. Almost all enterprises have hybrid multi-cloud strategy because there is no one cloud that fits all business needs. They may operate private, public, and edge clouds that may be on-prem or off-prem. Hybrid allows for better flexibility and meet application and user requirements while providing security and cost control. We're considering container as a service for this case. In summary, HPE Container Platform on HPE Synergy provides enterprises a scalable, production-ready container ecosystems to deploy the best fit technology set for you. It helps you to be agile and achieve your business objectives through successful digital transformation and innovation from the following aspects. Firstly, increase speed and efficiency. HPE Container Platform on HPE Synergy provides a unified, workload-optimized composable platform with automation scripts, lets you deploy and update with unmatched speed and agility, therefore accelerate time to value. Secondly, reduce risk and lower cost. This is achieved through enterprise security at the software layer and HPE ILO silicon root of trust in the hardware and firmware layers. Reduce IT operational cost while improved DevOps CI/CD processes, and application modernization. Thirdly, simplify user experience with a self-service portal and one-click container deployment. HPE OneView provides software intelligence and unified API to configure infrastructure as code. Overall, you get consistent experience across on-prem and the cloud. Last but not least, combining HPE Container Platform with HPE Synergy composable infrastructure optimizes platform utilization across all containerized workloads. It is capable of scaling out to adjust or balance resources for changing business needs, and provides maximum flexibility to deploy container clusters on-prem, in multiple public clouds, or in a hybrid environment. Contact us for more information or for proof of concept. We are committed to help you deliver fit-for-purpose solution and a compelling return on your investment.